Okay, so hopefully by now everybody had a chance to watch the video that I posted and you had a chance to take a look at this, all right? If you haven't taken a look at this yet, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a couple of videos, well, more than a couple, I'm gonna make a few videos going over each one of these problems separately, all right? So for this first one right here, you got, it says in a small town, it says that you got 165 people like hot dogs. What you have to realize is that this entire circle right here, the whole circle right there, represents the number of hot dogs, right? Since it's 165 people like hot dogs, then that entire circle has to add up the whole circle, including the intersection. The intersection plus this other number has to add up to 65 because you have 55 people right here that like both. You see how you got that 55 people that like both? That part right there is included in both of those circles, that 55. So you can't have 165 right here and then you can't have 120 for a number of hamburgers right there because like we said, because you got that overlap of 55 and you can't count the overlap twice. A lot of you all, when I was looking at the notes, a lot of you all counted that overlap twice right there. All right. So, like I said, it's just that entire circle that I'm drawing right there, that's hamburgers, that whole thing has to add up to 120. So what you have to do is you take the overlap, you put that in the middle, and then you subtract the overlap from both of the numbers by themselves. As what this means is, take a look at this right here. These are the people, this 110 right here, that represents the people who only like hot dogs. They only like hot dogs. They don't mess with burgers. Period. They only like hot dogs right there. Right? And then the 55 people right there, they like both of those, right? So they like both of them. And then this 65 right here, that represents the people who just like burgers. They only like burgers. They don't deal with hot dogs like that, y'all, right? So they only like their burgers, okay? So I'm hoping that helps clear up some of this stuff. And then if it doesn't, just drop into office hours tomorrow and I'll go through this one more time, okay?